Hey, Bluegrass, can we go thrift shopping?
Hello, YouTube world. I just wanted to go over what sold on eBay this weekend. Of course, the Chiefs won. So, since most people that know me follow me, I specialize in cards, football cards, and baseball cards. That was what my first love was, so I still use it. I will also do a lot of other things. I found that those are easier. These are collectibles, so you have to find the right people, and you hope your person that you have is hot. So it's not something for everybody. But there's ways to do it, and that's why the card breaks are a way to not have to know anything about it and get good deals. Just something people can do. Here's some of my sales. And I did a little experiment on promoted listings, and they worked for me. I mean, I know Mahomes is quick, sells quick, but some of the things I have up are better, and they got a lot less looks. No one was watching them, and these sold, and I took off best offers, and they sold. And usually I have to people offer and stuff. Anyway, this one went for $20. It's a 2018 Select Prism. It is the second year. I got these so cheap. I got them in the boxes last year, back when no one really knew much about him. There's one thing that's different is this one's actually a prism. So it's right here. It's because there's the same version, but it won't be. In this cards, there was a few different versions, and this is another one, another Select from 2018 too, and it's also a prism, but this one's called Premier Level, and this one was called Field Level, and it's just a little different version. And it went for $22.95 and with no offer. And this one was promoted listing too. It is also 2018 Select, and it is a prism as well, but it was also, this version is Phenomenon, I believe. Let's say Sensations. I apologize. There's one, it's a Phenomenon. This one's Sensation. It's a cool looking card, and it went for $24.95. And these two, one of them I promoted. This one wasn't promoted, and this one was promoted, and it led to him buying another one just like it. So sometimes where a promotion can lead to more sales is what I've noticed too. So yeah, you might maybe lose a little bit on this one, but it leads you to more, you know. And I gave him a discount on shipping, but I'm still, you know, since I'm paying $286 to ship it, and now it's gonna go up to like $315, and he got charged $7.95 for the shipping. I'm gonna end up shipping it in the same package. It's gonna go from 2 ounces to 3 ounces, and he gets a $3 discount. He feels like he got a pretty good discount, but I'm still making money on that even. So, and I just called eBay, so I know how to combine a shipping label now too. Which I should do a video on that, right? But these are just a few things I do, a few things that sold because Mahomes is selling real well. I'm starting another channel. It's called Long Ball Card Breaks, and I'll be going into more depth on that because I know some people aren't going to watch that as much, and I'm getting big enough where I have enough content for both. And Tommy Bernard pointed that out in a good way, and he thought maybe I was mad, but not at all. I already planned on doing it anyway. I just need to get off my own butt. And so I have enough content, I can split them out, and now that I know how to do videos, it'll be a lot easier, and I'll be able to, and it's good because now I'll be able to throw up stuff without having to put it up here. I'll know how to actually do some video editing, so it'll look good from the get-go. And I feel like I've kind of done my job of getting a Road Warrior reseller in here because he's going to be good. And we're both going to go in our own directions, but we're always going to have some lives and stuff to do with each other. But just so you know, and I'll put a link, try to remember, put a link in here or up here to get a link to my channel so that you might find it interesting. And I'm gonna try to keep some of the content when it's a day like this, when it's just sales and cards. People may not want to know about it, but if it's over $100 or something like that, I'll probably put it on the reseller channels, the Bluegrass Picker, because people will still want to see that. But the smaller sales, I mean, I don't blame them, and I don't want to lose people.
Bye from Bluegrass Pickers. Stay tuned.